Hi there, welcome to Excel 60. Quick Microsoft Excel tips and tricks in 60 seconds or less.
So today we'll be looking at the simple if formula. And before we start our countdown timer there, I just want to explain what the spreadsheet is all about. So this is a simple situation of a product that's been purchased, okay, at $50 and it's sold at 75. That's product one. And then we've got a list of different products here, okay, all the way up to product 11, just for an example. Okay, and you got purchase prices, and then you got delivery, storage, and overhead costs. And then our retailer wants to sell them at this price. So what we want to do is actually, let me just get rid of that. We want to be able to calculate how much the profit or loss is. And also this is the cell where we're going to put our if formula, okay? So many of you would agree, before I go ahead, that the profit or loss is going to equal the selling price minus the sum of all the expenses, open bracket. And I'll just drag across, close bracket. And then that tells me he made a profit of $11, okay? And then we'll probably say that for the other three products right there, we'll have the same delivery, storage, and overhead costs, okay? Like that. And then I want the same formula to apply, right? Like that. And let's give this certain selling prices. Let's say that sells for about $120. Then that sells for about, that means he made a profit of 21 there. That sells for about $38 or something. Just casting random figures. There about $8. Okay. So that tells me that he's made a profit on all four. If you change any of these figures, maybe change that to 60, shows he made a loss of $36. Okay. I'll just undo that. So here is how we use the if formula. Right, so what I'm going to do, let's say equals if, right, open bracket, if this figure is greater than 0, okay, I'm just going to follow what is showing me there. It says I should put a comma after that, then open bracket. The value, if this is true, is going to be profit, right? Then I'm going to close that bracket, put a comma, open another bracket. If it is false, then the value of that should say loss. Okay. And then I'm going to close bracket twice, and it tells me he made a profit. So I'm going to drag that formula down, right? And that's how you use the if formula. If he makes a loss, like let's say this is worth $80 or something, it immediately tells you he made a loss right there, just like here, right? So that is how you work the if formula. Thanks for watching.
If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. If you would like to learn more Excel tips and tricks, do visit our website, excelskills.com. That's skills with a Z. Do look out for our next video coming soon.